Hi guys, this is Sherry from Rinpic Packaging. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized Mylar bags in my channel and make your Mylar bags more attractive.
1. Matte or glossy finish. You can choose to have a matte or glossy finish on your Mylar bags. A matte finish will give your design a more subdued, sophisticated look, while a glossy finish will make your design pop and look more vibrant. 2. Metallic printing. Metallic printing can be used to add a metallic sheen to your design, giving it a premium, high-end feel. You can choose from a range of metallic colors, including gold, silver, and bronze. 3. Spot UV printing. Spot UV printing involves applying a clear, glossy coating to specific parts of your design, creating a raised, textured effect. This can be used to highlight certain elements of your design and add depth and dimension. 4. Holographic printing. Holographic printing involves using a special printing process to create a holographic effect on your Mylar bags.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your Mylar bags, please don't be shy. Free to come chat with me. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.